The select top is used actually to specify the number of record to return within your query. And the way to do that is you write your query as you normally do it, select, and you have to add top and specify how many rows you want to return. In this case we will be using 5, and we will use star to return all the columns from our source table, which is our employees table. Let's run this query and see what the result will look like. As you can see in the bottom screen here, that the total of rows that were returned is 5, which correspond to the number that we used here in our select top statement. Now let's change this to number 2, for example, and run our query. When you do that, you always going to receive the total results or row results as that number that you keep playing with here. Let's do, for example, 7, and we get 7 rows. So now let's say I don't want to return all these columns. I only want to return the first 3 columns with the number, of course, of rows that I want. In order to do that, you will need actually to remove that star and switch it with the name of columns that you need to return. And let's run our query. As you can see, I still have top 7 rows with only those columns that I specified within my select statement. Now let's change this to 6, just so you can see that the values will keep changing for the total of rows. Let's do 3, and this is how you use your select top.